Sup guys? Yeah, back with another upgrade video. Continuing the tradition of upgrading my computer. I figured, well, with that new i7, why not get some more RAM? And I also picked up, well, I originally only wanted to pick up a PCI Express wireless card. That was the only really reason I went. I got this. But because the USB 2.0 one I've been using is just a piece of crap, so I really don't want to deal with it anymore. I just wanted to get a nice PCI Express one. So I did. But while I looked there, I looked at their RAM. I also got more RAM. I got 8 more gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance here to match my current ones in there. So now I'll have 16 gigs of RAM. So there you go. We're going to be installing both of these today. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Move some stuff out of the way. We'll get to this. So I'm going to shut down my computer first of all. You know, that you might want to start with that. That might be a good thing to start with. So yeah, while we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and unbox the wireless adapter. So here we go. We have our small form factor bracket, which I'm not going to be using. We have the actual wireless adapter itself right here, anti-static wrist strap. There it is. So this is an Asus PCIe N53. It's wireless N, 300 megabits per second. There you go. So we're just gonna, looks like it has a bow to it. That's kind of weird. There we go, fixed. So there we go. We're gonna be installing that. You also get, obviously, 2 antennas, 2 wireless antennas. Here we go. And the driver disc. And the manual. But yeah, I don't think you need a manual for this. This is pretty straightforward. Oh, and we also get a nice piece of foam. How thoughtful. So let's go ahead and take that out, move that to the side. Let me go ahead and undo the thingamabobbers, the thumb screws on the side. There we go. Let's go ahead and undo this. Okay. That's the only thing I don't like about this case. The side panel is quite flimsy. But anyway, let's go ahead and zoom up on that RAM there. Right there. Let's do the... oh, shit. One sec. Let me see if I can prop up the camera. Nope. Maybe. Nope, not really. Okay, shit. That's gonna have to be good enough, I guess. There we go. Good enough. Okay, so let's open the RAM. Let's go ahead and do that first. Doodly-doo. Opening RAM. I'll just open it off camera. So yeah. So I'm going to be filling all my motherboard slots now, which is good. That'll look good, but obviously I have more RAM to work with now. So here they are. 2 Vengeance sticks, 4 gigabytes apiece. Yeah. So there we go. So let's take one. Let's just go ahead and shove her in there. So let's go ahead and try to fit that. Oh well, I have to undo the brackets first. One sec. There we go. Alright. So this guy is going to go straight in like that. See if I can get around my water block. Hard to do this around a water block, so I'm just going to pull these out of the way. There we go. Is it in there? Not quite. Okay, there. She's in. Next. This one should be a little easier, maybe. Pull that out of the way. This one's easier because I can actually see what I'm doing. Alrighty, there we go. And a 1. And a 2. There we go. That looks nice. 16 gigs around there. And we'll also go ahead and install this wireless card. So, I have a PCI Express X1 See if I can make sure you guys can see this. Well, okay, there goes my thingy. Shit, this is not good. Really don't have any way of propping the camera up. Okay, one sec. Let me fudge with this and see if I can work something out. There we go. Okay. This is why most people prepare for videos. Not me. Nope. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver. Oh boy. This is why most people prepare for videos. But that's too mainstream. I'm too good for that. Get my screwdriver out here. Okay. This video is a lot longer than it should be, but you know, whatever, right? Okay. Alright. There we go. Doesn't help that I can't really see what I'm doing. There we go. Alright, in she goes. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Just like that. Okay, she's in. Now, alright, there. Just need to hold that there. When I screw this in, that can be challenging. Maybe not. Not gonna cooperate, is it? There we go. Don't you just love this, guys? Okay, there she is. She's in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the computer, well, I'll put the side panel back on and we'll fire her up. See what we get. Dog hair. Thanks, Lucas. Okay. Thumb screws. Where did I put them? Really? There they are. Alright. There we go. Okay. Go ahead and screw my antennas on to the back. These are fairly simple. Okay. Just screw right on. Sorry I can't really show you guys what I'm doing, but you know, that's how it goes. There's one. This should be a hell of a lot better than the crappy USB thing I'm using right now, let me tell you. Two big antennas. There we go. I'll mess with those later. So there we go. Push it back where it's supposed to go, and we'll boot her up. Okay. Messy room. Okay, just make sure it's... Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 3. That looks nice. With all that RAM in there. Sweet. Gonna turn on? Yeah, let me check the RAM. Alright, after some extensive troubleshooting, I pinpointed the problem. I installed the wireless card, I booted into Windows 8, and it tried to install its own Microsoft drivers, and that's what was causing the PC to blue screen and boot loop. So, I booted into safe mode, inserted the driver CD, manually installed the drivers from the disk, and now it works. So there you go. Now we have 16 gigs around there, and we have a brand new wireless card. So there you go. I have to put my computer back together because I was troubleshooting different things. So there you go. Yeah, another successful upgrade with a little troubles, because fuck you, Windows.